Welcome to music class. I am Shashi Kumar, music teacher, GNV Kasaragod. Welcome to everyone. In this session, I would like to talk about the topic Tala. Tala. What is Tala? I will explain you. Tala literally means a clap or a beat. Tala or beat or rhythm we can experience from anywhere in our surroundings. Okay, I will show you some example videos.
Just see how beautifully the grahas, upagrahas are moving. Could you observe one thing? The planets are moving in a very rhythmical way, and some kind of tala or time duration we can observe, isn't it? See, the heart is beating rhythmically. All of you just relax and check your pulse, heartbeat. Yes, you can realize some kind of rhythm or tala. Nowadays, in every home we have clock, wrist watches. Just closely watch the pendulum or needle of the clock. Tick, 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 tick.
Tala. What is Tala? I will explain you.
Tala literally means a clap. It is the term used in Indian classical music to refer to musical meter and its control the song. Tala in Carnatic music is a time measure or rhythm cycle. It is a series of counts made by wave of hand or tap of the hand on the lap.
Okay. Now I think you got some idea about the beat, rhythm, Tala in generally. So come to the point. In our Indian music is divided into two divisions. One is Carnatic music and another one is Hindustan. Talk about our tradition of music, that is Carnatic music, South Indian music. So I will remind you one point, that is South Indian music means Carnatic music. So the south part of music we can call South Indian music. That means Carnatic music. So the other part of India, the northern part of India, we can call the Hindustani use about the talas in Carnatic music and Hindustani music and its
Now let's check talas in Carnatic music. The name of the talas and its symbol and angas or aksharakala. So I will explain one by one. I will read out the names. Read out the name. Dhruva Tala. Dhruva Tala have 14 aksharakala and Matya Tala 10 aksharakala. Rupaka Tala 6 aksharakala. Jampa Tala 7 aksharakala. Triputa Tala 8 aksharakala. Ata Tala 12 aksharakala and Ekatala 4 aksharakala.
Hindustani music talas. There are 9 main important talas in Hindustani music. The most popular and used tala in Hindustani music is
Next, talas in Hindustani music. Like our Carnatic music, in Hindustani music also have talas. The important names of talas I will read out. The Teen Tala is the most used talas in Hindustani music. So I will read out its name, Tala's name. I will read out. Teen Tal or Trital, 16 Aksharakala. Jhumra, 14 Aksharakala. Tilwada, 16 Aksharakala. Dhamar, 14 Aksharakala. Ektal and Chautal, 12 Aksharakala. Jab Tal, 10 Aksharakala. Keherwa, 8 Aksharakala. Rupak, Mughlai, Rupak, 7 Aksharakala. Dadra, 6 Aksharakala.
So now you learned about Tala and its definitions, and what are the names of Talas in Hindustani music and Carnatic music. I think you learned everything. So now we talk about the most popular Tala in South Indian music, that's Carnatic music. So the most popular Tala in South Indian music is Adi Tala. So Adi Tala is 8 Aksharakala cycle. So from 1 to 8 Akshara, 8 count. I will show you how to make it. So 1. So we can use the right arm and with finger. So the first one is 1, 1, and the small finger 2, and the next one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again it will start from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sing with me the 7 swaras. So I will show you. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So for one swara, one beat. So just together we can sing Sa, Re. See, for one swara, one beat. Then the 8th swara, that means the Tarasthai Sa will come. So again it will come the decreasing order. So already we discussed about the Arohana and Avarohana. What is the Arohana, Avarohana? Arohana means the ascending notes. Sarigama, Pada, Ni, Sa, up to Sa. Then the descending notes we can call Avarohana. So from Arohana and Avarohana you can sing together. Okay? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So this is called Adi Tala. So all of you just want to practice this one, and